We are discussing article submission process. We are discussing article submission process. We have discussed almost all of the uh, points like what is article submission, revision before submission, submission checklist, revision before submission. Under this point, we discussed reasons for early rejection and what should we check like this. And we discussed which journal should you submit to, how can, okay, journal finders, how can you find or select a journal through journal finders, peer review process, submission to acceptance, and we discussed meaning of few terms. We also discussed more frequent errors during submission process. Then we discussed about cover letter, how we can decorate our cover letter. Then we discussed reviewing, revision, and re-revision process. Okay. Then we discussed about response letter, how we can respond to the reviewers' comments. We discussed about a second round of reviews. Then we discussed some important points to remember. Then now we'll discuss about what to do when a paper gets rejected. What to do when a paper gets rejected. So in that case, do not get discouraged. Read editorial comments and discuss what advisors, students, collaborators. Read editorial comments and discuss with advisors, students, and collaborators. Find out how you can make this study stronger and acceptable for publication. This is an important issue. Do not just turn around and submit the paper to another journal. It is a bad practice. Okay. Read carefully the comments and find ways to improve the scientific quality of the paper. Carry out additional experiments and improve the quality of scientific discussions. Rejected papers can be resubmitted if and only the concerns of the reviewers are adequately addressed and new results are included. If you have questions, please feel free to contact the editorial office. After resubmission, after second round of submission, second round of revision, and finally resubmission, it is a good sign, and any author can expect a positive response, actually, if journal asked for revision. So revision means the journal is interested. So it is a positive sign. So author should address all reviewers' concerns. Do not take it personally. Okay. We should take all of the comments from reviewers and editors very positively. Okay. Point to be discussed. Briefly explain article submission with a suitable example.